So hi everyone, we got a digital ultrasonic cleaner CDS-100 in here. This is like a body from the Australia Amazon, around $80 Australian dollar. And I couldn't find any review of it, so I'll just give it a go. Let's start unboxing this. So obviously we got a menu, and we have the little devices, and have no idea what this is. So we just pack this away. So far it's nicely looking with good plastic bag, all covered. Got a plastic basket. Okay. And then we got another. We'll find out what this is. So far, not really sure. And this is the power cable. This part looks like metal, the top bit, and it's not too bad in terms of the feel of it. Looks solid, definitely plastic here, and looks very simple. You got on/off button and you got timer. Okay. That's it. That's all you got from the box. Next things, we're going to test it with some of the really dirty old glasses and see how well we do or not. Okay, now what we do is to put the object. So we have the glasses here. It's not clean for 2 years. You can see all the fingerprints and dust, and especially like the dirt in the gap, mold, like I don't know, it's like just hair everywhere. So we're going to try with this one first, and again, I don't get paid by them, I just do it for fun. So according to the instructions, you put this in and then you put this. I find out this is like it's just, if you've got a watch, you want to put on top of it and put it down so it stays on top. We're doing glasses, we don't need that. So we put that, and there is a line here. It's a maximum, means that this is like how much water you fill in. So I put this in. I'm going to put water. It say you can put as much as water as long as it not exceeds the maximum. So I just try to put water just above it, and then I just come and check. It's still under the maximum line. So the water just cover the glasses, and I find out that the clamp, this is a stainless steel. We will find out. So I put the top is, there's a square on one side, so you only can put a very particular angle. There's doing 2 button, timer, default 180. Oh, I can see water from here. Okay, I don't think it's leaking. Okay, looks fine. And then I'm going to press the on button. For this purpose, I'm just take out the lid, and there's actually a lot of dirt, smoky coming out from the glasses, like a milky color. So if I zoom in this quite far, you can see the water forming some kind of pattern. It looks like a lot of vibration, and a lot of dirt coming out from the glasses. And the water's turning to milky color. Unbelievable how dirty it is. And that's a lot of dirt. and it's still coming out after 60-70 seconds. After 1 minute, there's still a lot of little like grey color, milky color things coming out from the glasses. It looks like it's settled down after 2 minutes, so we just let it run for another 60 seconds. I'm impressed. The water actually looks milky color now. There's a lot of dirt came out of the glasses. Okay, this thing's still coming out, so it's probably worth to have another go, but let's have a look. After 3 minutes of the ultrasonic vibration, and let's have a look at the glasses and see how it. So after 3 minutes of cleaning, is it really clean? I mean, for a glasses that didn't get cleaned for so long, you may need another go, because you can see the dust still, like, sitting in here. You can see the green bit, this green bit, like, the kind of like, we all know that, like, this area always like got some green things here, very hard to clean without taking off everything. It's still there, it didn't come out. So 3 minutes definitely not enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back on and for another 3 minutes and see if these dirt can come out. So what we just did is the same glasses, 3 minutes, and we still find things like, around it. So we're going to put it back on. I already emptied the water. I'm going to put in new water, just enough to cover the glasses. And then I'm going to run another 3 minutes. And this time I'm going to zoom in a bit more. So you still can see things coming out from the frame, and it's a lot of them. So it's definitely working. So I can see it's kind of settled down now after 60 seconds. I don't see much things coming out. It's still, it's not a lot, but it's still coming out a bit. So last 30 seconds, I don't see much dirt coming out. Looks like, I mean, a lot came out, but now it's kind of settled down and I don't see much action. Probably like that's the max you can do by this little devices. Just consider this is only like 70-80 bucks like device. I think yeah, we're doing like a pretty good job. So now let's take it out and then have a look at that point. So the area, I mean, probably hard to show it to you because of so small, but I have to say the fan is much clean now compared to before. The fan looks clean. This part with the green bit a lot cleaner now, and the screw, the edge, everywhere looks a lot cleaner. I mean, this is like probably as much as you can get, but it did the job and not bad for $70. And consider, like, you know, my whole 4 people in my family all wearing glasses. This is probably a pretty good deal. Let me just have a look. I've been told that this doesn't remove oil. Oil, you still need to use the old way to clean it, because I can see the oil is still there, so it's not going to clean the oil. But in terms of the dust that you can't clean normally unless you open everything, it did it quite good. That's it. I think it's worth for 80 bucks. Obviously, if you've got more money, you can buy better machines, but for a normal home user, I think it's much better than just doing our normal cleaning. This, like, you know, you can just chuck it in every week or every month, and then, you know, it does a deep clean, much deeper than what we normally do. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.